Yes, we're gonna talk about the KZ ZA12, but I also have a KZ Castor with me. For some reason they sent me another one. I asked them, why did you send me the Castor again? I've already made a video on this. It's been like 6 months and that video has already got like 1,000,000 views, so why send me another one? And they said their shipping team made a mistake, so yeah, I got another Castor. Well, their oopsie will be your opportunity, so I'll give this to you. As usual, just leave a comment, tell me how this KZ Castor will help you. It's the black edition. I haven't used it, it's pretty much new. I just unboxed it to see what's going on. And funny enough, the Castor actually has some relevance to this new IEM as well, the ZA12. Look-wise, it kinda looks like a blend of the CZ Harmony and the KZ Castor. It has that diamond finish on the back, but it has those switches as well. But sound-wise, it's not as crazy as the Castor, especially in the bass section. Compared to the Castor and even the Castor Pro, the ZA12 has a lot more toned down sub-bass and mid-bass. It's plenty powerful but doesn't boom out of proportion, which is a good thing. I tried the switches with the DD-UD position so that I can elevate the upper mids a little bit. It worked well, although I did notice the vocals were a bit back. They weren't as forward as I expected with this switch position, especially comparing to the Castors. The same switch position gives a much brighter vocals in the Castor, so I was a bit surprised there. That said, there is plenty of treble. There's actually a hint of sibilance, like ever so slightly, but it's nothing too crazy. You can easily get used to it. So pretty much this is like the Castor, except the bass doesn't command your attention all the time. The upper mids could have been a bit more refined, but overall it's fine. I don't exactly know as of now, but I think this is more expensive than the Castor, and it is more refined than the Castor overall. Like, it's more balanced comparatively. So if you wanted something like the Castor or the Castor Pro but with less bass, then you can try this out. Plus it looks nicer too, if that matters to you. But even after trying all these, I still think the KZ Saga that I tried out a few weeks ago, which I gave away, it's a fantastic value for the price. I think it's a little higher than the Castor, but it's amazing. The build, the sound, everything sounds phenomenal. You can check out the full video if you haven't. But yeah, I'll link all of these in the description for you to check out. And if you want the Castor, just leave a comment, tell me your reason. I'll pin the winning comment in a week.